What's up, guys? We're over here at Power Up Dyno Solutions. Shout out to Drift.HQ for having me. Shout out to Cricket. Good stuff. Check them out. Safety meeting in the trailer. Cricket's over here, Ken blocking it.
White Walmart, Ken block.
Good for one tire. I mean, if we seen it from the other side,
Hey, it looked like two.
I think the second one engaged after.
It looked like two from where I was getting
footage. The other one turned the light. Nah, not at all. Yeah, one tire fire usually lights up nice.
That was good.
That's why we'll flip them.
Hey, don't put that on camera.
Alright guys, if you like that video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. We're going to do a little bit of a tour of Drift.HQ. Check it out. Say hi, Chris.
What up, Thomas fam?
Alright guys, huge shout out to Drift.HQ. Love these guys. Please check them out. Tell them Thomas Miata sent you for 5% off. We're over here at Drift.HQ. Hey, what's up? We got Joel in the background, part owner over here at Drift.HQ. He's gonna tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, dude, we're doing this after hours because, you know, the day-to-day on this is intense.
Yeah.
So it's only 7 o'clock and we still got the guys working over there and stuff is still happening. You know, people keep ordering all day.
Yeah, they're busy.
Well, let's go inside. After you, sir. So yeah, we're in here.
Yeah. All right, so we're in the headquarters, guys, the Drift headquarters. Joel's gonna tell us about what's going on in day-to-day operations and what kind of products they sell, whatever.
Yeah, welcome to the showroom. This is where we display buttloads of parts. People just come in here and just want drift car oriented parts, either race car parts or anything, because you know, we're a local shop. We're mostly based online, but here it's like you get to have the experience of, hey, I get to sit in this nice Recaro that not a lot of people get to sit down in, you know?
Yeah, you can test it out.
Yeah, you get to feel it. My favorite seat, actually. And you know, we got the merch and whatnot.
The Drift.HQ merch.
The hats. The steering wheel's a really hot piece of hydro dipped whatnot. Say, look, it's Cricket.
What's up, Cricket?
What up?
Tell us about Drift.HQ, why you like working here.
Well, I get to build cool race cars. The people, the community in drifting is phenomenal. Wouldn't want to be anywhere else. And their family here. We've been together for, shoot, going on 6 or 7 years with Drift.HQ, so.
Hell yeah.
Happy to be here. Wouldn't be anywhere else.
What happens back behind that door, Cricket?
magic.
The magic? Is that where the magic happens?
All right, let's go to Willy Wonka's
We are
factory over here.
I'm excited.
Dreamers of dreams. We are the music makers. Alexa, shut up.
Oh, buddy. Yeah. This is where.
Duarte's Poseidon car. It is a N54 Ford injection.
AEM standalone, dock race intake and exhaust manifold, precision 5862, and a bunch of FD legal stuff we put in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a non-rear mount radiator.
Yeah,
Sorry, Chris. I know you didn't want to be in the shop.
it's okay.
This is the only, it's
It's
like
on our
that.
website.
Yeah.
No, Chris, you don't have to say it. Joel can say it. It doesn't matter who says it. Guys, check out Drift.HQ. Don't forget their website where you can buy all the cool parts where they build their own cars themselves and shit. They can use the same parts, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Whatever.
Everything that's in this car is on our website. Going from the Cooler Works shifter, you see that? You see that? Cooler Works shifter, Drift.HQ hydro, arc panel, 8000D, the dash mount. Whole fast steering wheel is about to be uploaded in there because Mike Diaz really likes us and he really wants to work with us.
Yeah.
And then all the, you know, everything.
Sweet.
Literally everything but the cage and the
SLR,
whole car.
caliper, the diff brace, the motor mounts, everything.
Yeah. It's all here, phone party.
What's up, guys? Thank you all very much for the hospitality and having me. I cannot say that enough. I'm down to hang
Happy you
out.
came through.
dude.
We're ready to do some more driving with you.
Thomas Miata. One guy just beat this guy out of nowhere. I'm like, who the hell is that guy? And now we're best friends with him.
Hey man, look, Drift.HQ loves drifting. I love drifting. Check them out if you love drifting. There you go. That's it.
We like to drift and things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And community and all that.
We sell
Oh,
race
yeah.
cars and race car accessories.
We're a whole bunch of hillbillies building cars, you know?
Available at Walmart.
Yeah. We got Ken Block over here.
No, we just really love the drift community. You know, it's a great group of people. You know, everybody's so friendly, and we're happy that we're able to go out there and provide parts and, you know, help them out on the track so they don't have to leave and go to Advanced or O'Reilly's or, you know, find something, go to a junkyard, because a lot of the parts you can't even find at your local, you know, auto parts store, because most of you guys run stuff that's, you know, imported. You know, so we carry all that stuff. We carry anything you can need at the track. So check us out. Give us a like. Give us a share. Follow. All that happy jazz.
Yeah.
And if you come over to say hi, bring beer.
Yeah, bring beers.
Bring beers.
Thomas didn't bring beers.
Thomas didn't bring beers.
Sorry.
We love him showing up, but he did not bring beers.
Right? Not one beer. He never buys beer.
You see I'm sitting here after hours with an empty hand?
2 empty hands.
This don't work.
I'm sorry. The safety meetings aren't good
Chris's
enough.
nickname on our chat is always holding a
Always holding
beer.
a beer.
You see this? It's holding a beer.
That's why we're going to the bar.
Tell
To
me.
the bar!
We're to the bar.
Let's get some drinks in.
To the bar. Not really. I'm gonna go work. Now we're out. Close the door. Go home.
Can't stay here. Don't have to go home, but you can't stay here.
I want to get some drinks in.
All right, guys. Huge shout out to everybody again. If I haven't done that a million times already, I had an absolute blast. I'm heading home. Should be home in about 14 hours, 15 hours. Get me home at about 2 a.m. Good trip. Had a lot of fun. Got a lot of shots. Can't wait to edit this video up. Show you guys what I got into. All right. If you haven't checked out Drift.HQ, get on it. See you on the next one.